we put out a new Christmas intro. Now we finna show y'all guys in 3, 2, 1. Welcome to our Christmas bazaar. Today I'm going to be opening this Barbie. It's supposed to be a mermaid. And my name is Taylor, and let's get started. As you can see, I have a little plastic thing with the Barbie and the blind bags inside of it. And I'm going to open this top. Get my Barbie out. And now I'm going to get my Barbie out. This is my Barbie. Let me open it for you. Oh, I wondered how she's going to look in the water. And then the first thing what you got to do is pour water in this plastic bucket. You don't need no bucket from your house. You need the bucket from the store that you had. Oh, that's not going to be enough water. Wait 1 second. And now I'm going to put it in there. Oh, our hand. And it says the water's supposed to change colors. Oh, I see it. It's changing colors. Keep on mixing her.
Keep mixing her.
Yeah, she changed colors. Oh. Wow, there's a lot of pieces in there.
Oh, she's bubbling.
Yeah, that's what color she was. She got so much dirt on her. She was dirty. Oh, I see her hair changing. Oh, I gotta keep rubbing her head. Her hair is pink. It's almost done changing. Her face is in the water. Well, she's still on. Let me see her face. Oh, her hair. That's how she looks. I don't know why she's still dirty.
She's getting clean.
Yeah, she's washing up. That's how she looks. Oh, there's some more dirt on her. And then what I do is put her back in her and wait till she dries. And open the rest of the blind bags while she dry. Okay, she's going to dry in here. But this is her. This is her. And then now it's time for me to open.
Turn her in this direction.
This is her. Oh, still, there's water in there. Okay, now, this is her. She got pink hair. She got a swimsuit on. That's why she got in the pool. Or she was washing up. But she got all the dirt off of her. Because y'all saw she had purple dirt on her. Now I'm going to open these blind bags. She got a skirt. Shiny skirt. That's for her outfit. And it matched with her shiny shirt. Swimsuit. So this goes right here. I'll put it right here actually. Right there. Next time I open the next blind bag. Oh, she got some earrings. They're small. She do got her ear pierced. I didn't realize she had her ears pierced. She got her ears pierced. Small. So small. Okay, now it's time to open the next one. She got some high heels. Boot high heels. She gonna be walking with her high heels. It's supposed to go with her dress. And then the last blind bag. Let me see. She got a wig. I can put this on wig on her. So she won't be like, so she won't have short hair. I can make curly hair for her on her. Well, I don't know how to do it. I don't have to see how to do that. And yeah, that's the Barbie. Let me check out. This is the Barbie. And let me show you what she got her ears pierced. If y'all can see that little dot, she got her ears pierced. And then this where you put the hair I found with the dot. Now I'm gonna get her dress. Time to see how she look in her outfit. First thing I'm gonna get her skirt. Move this. Oh, it's for the drop. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, her nails are polished. I didn't realize her nails was polished. Oh, she still has them. She wants to be a mermaid, but this is a regular doll that goes swimming. And then put on her wig. How do you put that on? With a curly ponytail. Cute. Put some boots on. And these her leggings. That's on if you think that's dirty, that was her leggings. She got pink leggings. And this is her. Do 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 do. Yeah, I like her. I really like her ponytail is curly. Yeah. She got this hearts on her. And she got high heels. But I didn't put them on all the way. Okay. Oh, I think. Yeah, she got some high heels. These are her high heels. Do this for... Dance party. She's dancing. And this is a Barbie. That's her wow, her high heels. I really like the ponytail. I could braid the ponytail and twist it. But I'm really like this. I love it like this. I took it apart because I want to look like this. So it goes more chunky. And yeah. Let me see if I collect all the behind there. Yes. And then you're supposed to pour this water out. And then you put her back in there where she belongs. So when you don't have to put it, if you don't got nowhere to put it, you can put it on one of these bins. Now guys, if y'all don't know where to put your Barbie, don't throw this bin away, cause then you definitely won't have nothing to put it in. If you ain't think about putting it in here, you can't put it in here. Just put it back in here. Put the top back on. And she said where she belongs, in here. And then when you need to use it again, you can open it again and start playing with your doll. Yeah. Well, I'm not going to play with it yet. So this is her. Oh, yeah, I forgot to put her high heels on. Back in the box, okay? And you could throw the rest of the stuff away, the blind bag and stuff. But if you don't have nothing to put it in, just put it in that little bin right here. Because she's still fitting now. And then I think she can fit in her. Even though that water was in her, that doesn't mean she can't fit in her anymore. She still fit in her. Yeah. So that's all. Well, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give this huge thumbs up. And subscribe. 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 Subscribe.